Yeah, Rod Holt. The technician. We talked on the phone.
Of course. It's Rod. Glad you could stop by. Welcome to Apple Computer.
All right. Show me this revolutionary piece of shit.
The Apple II. It's the first ever all-in-one personal home computer.
And you called me because?
We need a heat-efficient power supply. In the case.
That's impossible, but don't mind me. I'm just, an engineer. It's the wattage.
40 watts. And quiet.
The hell do you mean quiet?
I mean silent.
There's no such thing. These things run hot. They need fans in them. Those bitches ain't quiet.
That's exactly why we need you to redesign it.
Redesign what?
The power supply. From scratch. It can't have a fan. It can't overheat. And it needs to fit inside a box. This size.
Don't do that. Please don't do. Whatever you want. My rate is $200 a day. And if I ever think things aren't working out, I walk. Are we clear?